Cooking. Today we're going to be making bat wings. For this we're going to need 1 bottle of hot sauce and 1 full tube of black food colour gel. Simply combine the hot sauce with the black gel. Going to mix these together until we have a thick black sauce. I've put 12 chicken wings into a Ziploc bag and I'm just going to pour the mix over. We'll work the mixture all around the wings, give it a good massage in. Once this is done, it needs to be refrigerated, preferably overnight, but keep on turning the bag every couple of hours. Right, we're going to make some blood. For this we're going to need 1.5 cups of tomato juice, the juice of 1 lemon, juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion granules, a good pinch of black pepper, good pinch of salt, just going to mix these in. Then to this I'm going to add a whole tube of red food colour gel. So I'm going to bring this to a simmer and I'm going to simmer it until it's reduced by half. Once it's reduced by half, I've mixed 2 teaspoons of corn flour with some water. I'm going to gradually add it to the sauce to thicken it. As you can see, this is now blood red, a nice thick consistency. What we need to do now is to allow this to cool. Once it's cooled, we're just going to inject into the bat wings. place a large Dutch oven on the joy stove, and I'm just going to simply arrange the bat wings around the bottom. Once they're all in, we're going to get the lid on, drop some coals on the top, and we're going to cook these for about 45 minutes. So 45 minutes, these are cooked. Now do check these with a thermo probe to make sure they're above 74 degrees C. And there we have it, bat wings.